Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ella. So today I'm painting this little card with a Chinese poem on it. The name of the poem is I Miss You. For those who don't understand Chinese, here is the meaning of this poem. The red bean grows in pleasant lands. With spring its slender tendrils twine. Gather for me some more, I pray. When you see them, the love memories are in our eyes. My first step is to add masking fluid so that later on I can apply a darker background without worrying the little small red bean's edge is not smooth. Then I'm adding a thin layer of water. The purpose of it is for the color to be absorbed more easily and smoothly later on. And I'm using a palette made in Korea called Mission Gold, and two colors I'm mixing today is Viridian and Prussian Blue. The next step is to apply colors on the semi-wet background. It is really the fun part because you can do whatever you like. Somewhere a little bit darker, somewhere a little bit lighter. Because watercolor will get lighter when it's dried, so I wait a little bit and added another layer of background. Then I'm using a mix of red and permanent rose to indicate the red beans a little bit far away from us. It's also a background, but you can see that's the hint of a red bean. Now I'm adding the red beans which are closer to us. So I assume the light is coming from the right hand side. I purposely leave some spaces on the right top side of each bean to indicate the reflection. After removing the masking fluid, I am using one of my finest brush, which is Princeton Heritage 3/0 round brush, to paint those very little, vibrant, cute red beans. Again, I leave some highlights. I will list the suppliers in the description box. Please check it out. Adding branches is always one of my favorite steps when I paint plants like the red beans or flowers or leaves. because it will make sense for the whole painting to get together after the step. Before finishing up, I am adding more white as the highlight. And splash some more white, some red. Then we're done. I actually painted a few more pictures with Chinese poem. The purpose of that is to help my 3-year-old son to memorize and learn about those poems. As you can see, some of my paintings are extremely easy without details. I painted probably within 10-15 minutes. If you are a parent like me and thinking about teach your kid Chinese poem, I hope those painting ideas give you some inspirations. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.